How to add Google Analytics to your Wix website. Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to give you a quick tutorial on this topic. First of all, you can see we are on our dashboard panel. In here we want to connect our Google Analytics to our Wix website. For that reason we need to create a Google Analytics account. If you have an existing account, you don't need to be create on. While you will create a Google Analytics account, they will provide you a shortcode. So take the shortcode and come up your dashboard panel, and once you come up here you need to go on the marketing option. Once you click on marketing option, you will have furthermore option here. You will find out the option Google Tag. So just click on here Google Tag option, and it will be redirect you to the Google Analytics option. Here you can read about this integration. Google Tags allow you to use tags to connect your site to variety of Google products such as Google Analytics and Google Ads. So here you need to click on add Google Tag ID. So you need to be update your Wix plan to premium to connect Google Analytics to your website. So without updating your plan, you are not able to use these features. So I hope you already understand how you are going to add Google Analytics to your website. If you found out this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click thumbs up button.